folks. Welcome to Saturday evening on my solo trip. Everything is absolutely wonderful in camp. Tonight I will be having the Texas State Fair chili. Yes, and I've got extra water for tomorrow for breakfast. Okay. Absolutely. It's just such a gorgeous evening. Unbelievable. But I just wanted to share a different style of what I'm going to do for fire this evening. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Old Man's Beard. Okay, this is a lichen that grows on trees. It's a tree lichen, and this is how it grows in the wild on tree branches. Okay, can you see that? So I've got some that I found on the ground, and I've tried to dry it out a little bit, but what happens is generally blowdown will knock the stuff down out of the trees, and I've heard it's a good fire starter. I've never used it, and we're gonna give it a shot with the Adventure Sworn Classic in fire steel. So I got a little bit of birch bark here. That's white birch. That's all prepared, and I've got my tinder bundles here ready to go, and of course the PBR. So let's see what happens. All right. Just going to break it up a little bit here. I don't know if it's going to take the spark any better. Like I said, this is my first time. I've never done this. So, see what happens. Wow. That's not too easy to light right there, I'll tell you. Oh, here we go. There we go. Wow, yeah. Just had to get a little bit of a dry spot there, and wow, sure. Old Man's Beard. Adventure Sworn Classic. And fire steel. Old Man's Beard. There we have it. Saturday night's fire. Done a little bit differently. All right, folks. I'll be back with you.